Hey, Gummy. I've been sitting here working on this lathe for a while, so I got it operational. So I was doing a little turning earlier just to show you what this thing can do. So it's pretty much just like any other metal lathe. The faster it spins, especially with aluminum, the better finish you're going to get. You go slower with metals like stainless steel and stuff like that. You got different gear settings over here where you can actually change the speed of the motor. But I've kind of been turning on this for a little while, as you can see. But it's working quite well. No problems at all. I got her cleaned up pretty good, so. You done?